to fix the BMW MEVD17.2.4 ECU used on N20 engines. We can see on the DTC's ignition issue. Let's open the board first. Then measure these chips with a multimeter. These are controlling ignition. We tested this chip and got a voltage of 0.2 volts. Normally it should be 1 volt or so. This value is normal. Now we remove the broken one. Replace it with a good one. Replacement completed. Let's measure its voltage. The values are normal now. Let's try it on our testing car now. Reading DTCS. No DTCS now. Let's put back its original content. And send the ECU back. Finished.